On 30th December 2020, the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations, or COMSO, had organized a procession that started from the Polytechnic Institute at Maulai and culminated at Motprant Point in Bara Bazar area of Shillong. This is part of their agitational program to impress upon the government on the implementation of ILP in the state. During the procession, it was seen that participants had been carrying torches and also shouting slogans against the government.